Regular yard pest control sprays can reduce pest populations quickly, but often transfer toxic residues into soil, water, and non-target organisms. Most conventional sprays contain broad-spectrum neurotoxic or insect growth regulating chemicals that persist in soil and runoff and accumulate in aquatic systems. Use biodegradable formulas where active ingredients break down into harmless compounds within days to weeks and confirm degradation rates on the product label or safety data sheet. Practice integrated pest management by combining monitoring, physical barriers, habitat modification, biological controls, and targeted chemical use only when thresholds are exceeded. When applying any product, spot treat the specific infested area rather than broadcasting across the entire yard to limit non-target exposure and chemical load. Calibrate your sprayer so you apply the manufacturer recommended rate and avoid over-application, which often offers no extra control but increases environmental harm. Time applications to reduce impact on pollinators by spraying at dusk or dawn when bees are least active, and avoid spraying when rain is forecast to minimize runoff. 3 common mistakes are blanket spraying the whole yard, using products with high persistence, and ignoring timing and weather. Blanket spraying wastes product and kills beneficial insects. Instead, inspect and target only affected zones. Choosing long persistence chemistries leads to buildup in soil and waterways. Switch to labeled biodegradable alternatives or shorter persistence options, and rotate modes of action when chemical control is necessary. Applying during windy, rainy, or peak pollinator activity increases drift, runoff, and non-target kills. Always check the forecast, apply during calm conditions, and follow label timing guidance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and listings relevant to yard management and sustainable pest control, helping people find professionals for targeted or integrated approaches. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, product experiences, and local recommendations.